Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've had several viewers ask to see inside the 35K, this 2016 Bounder, Fleetwood Bounder. So I wanted to bring this to you. A few months ago, I filmed the interior walkthrough of this motorhome. Instead of reinventing the wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and bring that video back. Nothing has changed, it's still the same. What has changed since then is our lifestyles have changed. Cindy and I live now with co-camping, campsite to campsite. She has her 2025 Catalina 28-foot travel trailer, and I have the 35K Bounder, a 36-footer. We parked our RVs in such a way that we created this little compound. It's really quite cozy. I want to show this to you. So in this video, we're going to walk through of the 35K, and the next video I think is going to be very exciting. We're going to show how it works with us parked campsite to campsite in our RVs and creating this compound. It's quite a setup. It is a lot of fun this way, living this way. In fact, a few weeks ago, I had a friend of mine, a guy that I work with in Hot Springs, Arkansas, at the real estate office, said that if he and his wife had lived this way, they would not have got a divorce after 43 years. So in this video, like I said, we're going to walk through the 35K. In the next video, I'll show you how this campsite to campsite setup works and why it really turned out to be a great way to live for us. It really does work. So we're going to go in right in here and take a look at this beautiful motorhome. It's a beautiful motorhome. The gas tank is 80 gallons. The freshwater tank is 100 gallons. And you can see it's just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful motorhome. Not as much storage as the Winnebago. You can store under the seats here. And of course, all of this storage here. The television and the refrigerator work off the 6 batteries that's right down here under the steps here. Four 6-volt batteries that are hooked in series in parallel, giving you 2 banks of 12 volt. And this is where all of your controls are, right above the door here. See this? Now, when we got it, see right there, this thermostat was up here. You could not even see it. You had to have a stool. And so we had some guys come in and they replaced it from here to here where it makes more sense, where you can get to it. And they charge us like $300 to do this. 2 of them worked like 4 hours. And they did a wonderful job replacing that on this 216 Bounder. And your fluid levels, all your levels, your battery and your fluid levels and your propane is all up here. This is your inverter. You turn it off. This motorhome has an inverter that runs a residential refrigerator, some of the outlets, and the television. It's like you're boondocking, like you have solar. It absolutely is wonderful. And I just love driving this machine. It is just a beautiful machine. It's very good shape. And you have a great convection microwave. You can actually roast a big turkey right in this thing. Roast a big turkey in there. Residential refrigerator, counter deep. And let's go on. All this makes into a bed, which I have no intention of ever using. This actually comes out. It'll come out about this far. And I never take it out when I'm by myself. I really love this little guy right here. This little guy right here is just wonderful. It's very homey here. You can sit back and watch the television if you want. I see I need to clean my vents up there, but you can see how much room it is here. It's got 2 air conditioners, one for the front and one for the rear. This particular motorhome has 2 bathrooms. It's got a guest bathroom, I guess you would call it, right here. Very nice bathroom. And it's a half bath, of course. This bed right here, it's a queen bed, and I want to tell y'all something. I have never slept on a bed as comfortable as this bed is. It is absolutely wonderful. There's a TV in the bedroom, which I never watch TV while I'm in bed. I just don't do that. Very, very nice, very comfortable. Not a lot of wardrobe here. It's got an onboard generator, 5500 Cummins Odan generator, and it run everything in this RV. And one of the things I really like, I'll go back to the bedroom. I want to show you the rear bathroom here a little bit. One of the things I like is I can do this kind of thing. And these blackout shades really, really work. You can have all the lights on here at night and put these blackout shades down right here as well. And these are sunscreen shades right here. And you can have all the lights on with this shade down, this big black shade down. And let me tell you, you cannot even see any light. But I really like this, and that just comes right up. I really like it. Absolutely. Incidentally, this spare bed up here, I don't see anyone ever being in this bed, staying overnight with me. One thing I want to tell you about, you may not know about, I have Starlink, a Roku stick right here. And with internet, you just hook it up right here to your, you plug in here and plug it in here, and you've got Roku stick. And let me tell you something. That Roku stick really, really works. You can get just about anything on television right there. And with Starlink, it's just easy. Let's take a look at this spare bath. The main bathroom. Yeah, let's go in here and take a look at the master bathroom. It's a 3/4. It's got a shower here, of course, and then vent. And this is your master bathroom right here. It's a lot of space in here, I think. A lot of space for me to take a shower. It's got a skylight here. And so that's it. That's the motorhome. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to show you how Cindy and I live campsite to campsite, RV to RV, and why this setup works for us. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.